Also, the
I don't know
courtesy
nothing
of
going on
Summit,
in
you use their
XOP.
restrooms inside. While you're in there, stop in and patronize. Drivers, instant green. Watch the light.
Okay.
Nice pull. All right, we also got plenty of Summit hoodies. Inside, we have the special edition Texas Summit t-shirts as well. Inside the merchandise store. While you're in there, check out the RCDRL mural. Drivers, watch the lights.
Damn.
Thank you.
You lost.
Check it out, folks. We have a scale up here. We're going to be also allowing you guys to check your batteries here in a little bit. We're missing our tech person. He was coming in from out of state and hadn't made it here yet. Oh, let's see. It is not good. We need to mark them. Yeah, we need to mark that ground. That's good right there. Is that Richard? Imagine that. One of the track whisperers out in RCDRO, Florida.
Look out, Michael. Are they going about track rules? Can you give me a look explaining on that? You hit the wall, you lose.
Yeah, I was watching your podcast show, and there is a thing of red lights are reinstated. Driver, watch the light. I was watching your podcast show.
Oh, you was watching it? Oh, man.
I almost commented, but it was late at night.
Yeah.
And in drag racing, red lights can be reinstated.
Full tree. So a red light could be reinstated in the.
If somebody crosses over, that's considered a hazardous driver.
Okay.
A reckless driver.
Okay.
They are out there.
Okay. What about if they hit their wall and don't cross the line? Oh, hold on, y'all.
Copy that. There's a car in the Plan B left-hand lane needs to be driven off the track before we can keep moving. Folks, if you haven't noticed, we do have an opening at the end of the track. We just want you guys to keep it moving.
Okay. If you hit your own wall and stay in your lane, is the race still going on, or is it already disqualified?
You're disqualified. If you hit your wall or you red light
or cross the line.
Center line is worse than anything.
Okay.
If you red light and I cross the center line, then red light is reinstated. This is not first. Okay. It is first or worse. And crossing the center line, and thank you for asking these questions, is worse than anything.
Okay, that's the worst.
That's a reckless driver and no bueno.
Okay, got you. Got you.
Here are young gunners, so we're going to go full tree.
We got the young gunners in here, y'all. Oh, he out of. Oh,
I'm talking about crisscross. That's a no good time slip. Some nice reaction times. Both of them go 041, 047 on the tree. But these time slips are no good because they crossed each other. What tree, guys?
Instant green.
Instant green.
It is. When you ask, you shall receive.
Who done red?
We got a car on the track. Lee Williams, I think that's you.
Drive the car.
He getting his burnout done, y'all.
Hey, you want instant green? Green light drop. Who's it stop?
Okay. When the green light drop, the buzz stop. Man.
All right, here we go. Instant green. Drivers, watch it.
This side right here, he got a good straight
Nice
full
pull, guys. Don't
pad.
forget your tires,
Team
these
Oklahoma
guys.
knows something, y'all. I need to be with Oklahoma.
You can split it with your
Oklahoma.
dance partner.
They got some cars that's going straight.
So they are a ton of these Horizon Losi Camaros inside Summit. When you go to the restroom, check them out. Tell your wives, Michael made me do it. Ask for forgiveness later. It's always easier. Always easier. Right, honey? Yeah. Especially on today. We'll get into that in a little bit. Clear copy.
Here we come,
It's a little
y'all.
too deep. There we go.
Here we come.
Kid Dynamite drivers. Instant green. Watch them.
Oh. Oh.
Kobe's been doing his no prep circuit out here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I'm not sure when his next event is. But we know there's a Toys for Tot race over at Tracks. It's coming up December 4th, I believe. We'll get more information on that from
Right line killing him.
Kobe. Has a race day after Thanksgiving in the DFW area. If we can get that address from Kobe, we'll plug
To
his
be
event.
a big event, they got a lot of
And the RCDRL
people here that
returns to
car
Keene
don't go
next
straight.
Saturday
I
for a
can't
points
believe they
race that is
here.
on a prep surface.
They ain't making it to the 60 foot.
Okay, drivers, watch the lights.
Oh, okay. He was fast, but a little uncontrollable, but he controlling it. He had a little swerve. I heard that thing gripping. It's ready. We got Gavin coming up next. I'm betting with him. Let me see how straight it go today. Oh yeah, we need a full clean pad.
You ready, guys? Watch the lights.
Ooh, woo! Golly. That left lane.
All right, nice pull.
Hey, y'all, bet with him.
Delay.
Where he from? Oh, he with the BMF.
From Missouri.
Okay, yeah, I need to, yeah, yours running.